Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ooh ooh. I mean ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla walla bang bang. Here. I'm bored and thirsty.
Yo, what's up?
Nothing.
Okay, sounds good.
Woo! I'm thirsty. Don't have water. Hey, I know. There's something from the kitchen. Could go something for milk. Let's go. You following me? Yep. Okay.
Yo, what's up?
Doing good. What are you doing? Gonna go get some milk? Ooh, sounds good. Can I come? No. Can I come? No. Can I come? No. Can I come? No.
Can I come?
No. Neither all of you. No one is coming with me to get some milk. Except, you're not coming with me either. Why not? Because you're new? This guy is well known and you're new. Oh, so get out. Get out. I am out. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go get some milk, everybody. Okay. You are so big that you won't come. Oh, okay.
That was really rude.
Yeah. That was really rude. Yeah. Ooh ee ooh ooh ooh. I mean ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla bang bang. Ooh ee ah walla bang bang.
I am almost to the fridge. Get your fingers out of the camera. I am here for the fridge. There is some milk. Got it. Why is there someone at the kitchen? It's just probably Yoshi cooking some berries to get someone. Yoshi?
Woo! Finally. Still sounds. Wait a minute. I'm trying to open this. Hey, this is a new bottle of milk. Hey, Donkey Kong.
What?
What am I supposed to do with this new bottle of milk?
I don't know.
Go get the old one? Okay. Hey, wait a minute. Where is the old bottle of milk? Hey, do you know where's the old bottle of milk? No. But I can tell you that there is beeping. Just kidding, there's no beeping. If you don't tell me where the milk is, you don't get Luigi's Balloon World. I'll go tell Nintendo to cancel it. Oh my gosh. Okay. The milk is right over there. Oh, okay. Thank you. Luigi's Balloon World will be for you. Wow, thanks. Kitchen. What? Stop making sounds. Oh, okay. I'll go get a glass of milk. I said stop making sounds. Okay, now it's showtime. I swear, kitchen, if you make those sounds again, I will leave the kitchen and won't get milk ever again. Okay. Time for the show.
kitchen? What? You have cost me the final straw. Oh no. I am leaving the kitchen and won't get milk ever again. Oh no! But first, I'm gonna put the cap where it belongs. Please, Mario, I promise I won't make sounds ever again. Oh, it's alright, but I won't get milk for 1 week. Aww. Fiddlesticks.
I did it. I got some milk. I'm gonna give it a sip. What? Do you think that plush toys will drink milk? I don't think so. Boop. Hey, editor. What? Drink the milk. Okay. How does it taste? Good. Got milk? Haha, that's funny. Fake slurping. I mean, fake drinking. Huh? Is that a power moon?
Yes, I am the Power Moon from the Moon Kingdom, and I am here because you got a milk from the kitchen.
Oh my!
Collect me and you'll get a reward.
And what is that?
End this video.
Okay. Huh? Da-da-da-da-da-da. You got a moon. He needs some milk.